Philippine BPO industry attracts a lot of businesses to bring in the country. According to Gary Below, Executive Vice President of Interactive Intelligence Incorporated, BPO has 20% growth from last year, bringing more jobs to the country. The challenge now, though, is how to avoid losing those jobs back, maybe to another competitive country.
In the industry as a whole, about staying technologically advanced in the industry to keep people seeing value in the services and so forth that are provided in the Philippines. Now, the thing that you've got is you've got a real talent pool here of English-speaking people that can service offshore call centers from the UK or the US or wherever they would be, so you need to maintain that pool of talented people and just find ways to use technology so that you cannot be, the seats that have been brought here from other countries can't be uprooted and taken back or taken away from you.
India maintains its supremacy over its prominent rivals as a choice destination for companies looking to outsource English language call centers. However, Philippines is aggressively seizing this position. By the way, we're almost there. To grab India's lead, the Philippine BPO should address the pressing needs of the industry, which is to provide value to the customers with the help of technology.
So you employ the latest technology to give your customer, if you're an outsourcer, to give your customer a competitive edge. Maybe that technology is something like analytics. So you're analyzing the work that you're doing for that customer or for that company. You're improving upon things. You're not recording calls, but you're in real time analyzing how an agent's interacting. You're picking up key words or key phrases that may be able to allow you to create a sale or to stop an objection coming in, whatever it would be. But again, analytics is one of those technologies.
Integration of social media and call center services is also important because communication now is not just about picking the phone or voice call.
You need to integrate to more than, or to provide call center services for more than just picking up the phone and a voice call. Those would be things like SMS, email, and particularly the social media type things with Twitter and Facebook. So the ability to do more than a voice call. I was reading about the Philippines, and about 75 to 80%, I think, of the seats, the call center seats that are here in the Philippines are voice only. And in the industry, companies like Interactive Intelligence look at that as okay, but it's really sort of dated technology. People communicate differently now, or at least communicate some of the time differently. So it's important to be able to support those types of things.
Call centers should also adapt flexibility in deploying solutions.
A lot of what we see customers are asking us for are is flexibility on how they pay. Rather than using a capital budget where you plunk down a bunch of money right up front, buy all the hardware, the software, and everything, the services up front, they would rather approach it on more of an operational expense. So I'm paying on a per seat, per month basis. It allows me as a company to ramp up maybe for holiday peak periods or particular peak periods in my business, and then scale back down when that peak period subsides a little bit. So flexibility, use of technology for providing value, and then flexibility in how it's deployed and how they interact with that customer.
Interactive Intelligence Group Incorporated provides value to contact centers with its solutions such as contact center automation, unified communications and business process automation software, and services for mid-sized to large organizations. That wraps up our episode for this week. Fill yourselves in with the buzz and stuff that the tech world is made of. More will be coming your way when we see each other next week here on Convergence. Please follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/convergencetv, and like our page on Facebook. And visit our website at www.net-25.tv. I'd like to thank the Blanche for my hair, Creandy Clothing for my wardrobe. I'm Nikki. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and God bless.